Hello everyone, my name is Kaseem. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to pull back the curtain and I'm going to share with you my total stock and crypto, all my total investments. I'm going to share that with you today. I'm going to share with you why I'm investing in them, how much they're making, the purpose of investing in them. We're going to just dive right in and geek out on that in today's video. Before we get into the video, I would like to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. I never claim to be a financial advisor. All the information in today's video is for educational purposes because I personally believe in sharing financial information because more people need to learn about investing and why they should start investing at an early age and as soon as possible. So I just do my part to add, to the library of information out there on the internet. So this is not financial advice. So don't sue me, bro. Okay, so we are gonna get into today's video and my total investment, my total stock and crypto, all my total investment that I currently have at the moment is roughly about $79,270. So this money I've diligently worked all throughout a couple of years now, maybe like 2-3 years that I've been working hard, saving my money, living below my means and investing aggressively. Okay. I'm doing this because I have a goal of getting to $1 million as soon as possible. Ever since I could remember, I've always wanted $1 million and I'm trying to aggressively invest, do whatever I can to get to it as soon as possible. That's what we do on this channel. I share with you what I'm doing, my process, my investment journey for me to get to $1 million. That's what I do. I share that with you. So if you like what you're hearing, if that seems like you want to follow along, you should consider subscribing to the channel and be a part of the community. So first thing first, what we're going to do is we are going to dive right into my first major investment. Okay. And this is probably what most of you guys know me on. I am typically a dividend investor. I invest in dividend stocks that pay you on a monthly basis and that equals on a monthly basis. I have monthly paying stocks and I have quarterly paying stocks. So, I started this channel talking about this portfolio right here, which is M1 Finance. Okay. This M1 Finance has been good to me. The app has been good to me. Everything has been good to me. I've been making money on a consistent basis, on a regular basis with this app. So it's been quite nice. So here we are. This is the portfolio here. It's currently at $61,653. That is crazy to me that, I've been able to save diligently and invest, and I've been able to save this amount of money. A couple of years ago, I never had any of this. I read a lot of books on investing. I've done a lot of video on that. I'm going to link it in the cards for you to check out. I read those books. I did everything. I studied what real investing is about. And, I'm glad that I'm able to share this journey with you, so you can watch and see the progress over time. So I'm glad I'm able to share this journey with you. It took me a long time to save and get to where I am. Those of you guys that know me, that you're family, that you're subscribed to the channel, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It took a long time to get here, but we're here and we're still going. $40,000 away from 100,000, which would put me at 10% of that $1 million goal. The theme of the channel, the name of the channel is my name, Kaseem Bada, $1 Million Challenge. I challenge myself to get to $1 million as soon as possible. So I'm just sharing my journey here with you on my, the things that I'm doing in order for me to get there. So hopefully, you vibe with this information and you can sub and continue following along on the journey. So the first portfolio here is my M1 Finance portfolio. As you guys can see, it's currently at $61,661. And if you look at the earned dividend right there, we have earned $790, ever since we had this portfolio. So it's been great. It's doing its thing. I love it and I'm happy with it. So let's move on to the next. So the number 2 investment holding that I have here is BlockFi. Okay, this is where I primarily keep my cryptocurrency holdings, and this pays me every month in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Granted, it pays a little bit of money, but it pays me on a regular basis every month. And as you guys can see, ever since I started this portfolio, which I did a video on it, I'm also going to leave that in the cards. You can go check it out. This has basically given me a total interest payment of $81.06. So that is nice. You know, divide that on a monthly basis. You know, it's a pretty decent chunk of change here. So with this one right here, there's really not much to it. All I did was to put my crypto in here, and BlockFi do whatever they need to do with it, lending out, loaning out, and they pay me a cut of the money that they make on it every month. Okay. I've checked out BlockFi. They are registered in the US, registered in multiple states. So, you know, it's a US company. That's why I trust to keep my crypto on here. And, you know, this money, the interest payment is obviously taxed, but, you know, I'll rather collect the money, get a little bit of tax, and keep it pushing. Okay. But anyway, so we have a total of $4,576. So that is my second investment holdings at the moment. So here is the third investment holdings. This is the third investment holding that I have. It's Robinhood. Okay. And primarily what I do on Robinhood is I primarily trade the whale strategy. I trade the whale strategy, and I've done a lot of videos on that as well. I've done a lot of videos on that, sharing with you exactly how much I'm making, how I'm making the money. So you know, more and more reason why you should hit that subscribe button. You know, I'm sharing with you gems here, great information, and you know, I do things a little bit different and unique on the channel, so subscribe. So here, what we have here, we have $6,161 at the moment. For the week, we're down $130, and for the month, it's been up $1,700, which is good. And for 3 months, it's up $1,400, and for 1 year is up $1,900, almost $2,000. And basically, what I do is I basically do the real strategy, like I said. If you guys look here, I have one trade going on right now. I have AMC, and I'm up on it $23. So this portfolio here, I would say, make me on average roughly about $150 a month. $150 a month on average. It goes up and down, but it makes me $150 roughly a month on average. Right here, this is another one that I currently have, and this is a smaller one. It's about $1,300, and it's a small one. I have it in my retirement. I really haven't touched this in a while, but the one significant thing that this particular portfolio showed me, let me share with you guys here. The one thing that this portfolio showed me is the power of small investments. When I started investing in this portfolio, I started investing in it little by little. And this is what got me into investing $20 a day into Tesla stock. If you guys look at that, right? We look at the first holdings there. That is Tesla, is 18% of the portfolio. That has gained 1,500%. Okay, 1,500% gain. I literally invested $15 in Tesla a couple of years ago, and that has turned to $248. You know, a profit of $233, 150% gain. And with this one, I really don't do much to it. All I just do is just leave it there. Eventually, I will move it into M1 Finance, and I'll just have it in my M1 Finance retirement. But I haven't had the time for it. I just kind of keep it here. But this is my fourth, type of investment, part of my investment portfolio. This is my fourth one. And with this one, it don't really make much. I would say on average, it makes like $1 a month or something like that. It really don't make much for me at the moment. So the next investment portfolio that I have right here is my trading account. Okay, this is a more risky account. It's risky because you're going in and out of trades often, but the thing is, if you're able to learn how to trade, if you're able to try to own a skill, because trading is a skill that you can own and learn, and once you're able to learn it, you're able to make money for life. Once you learn how to trade, it's a skill where you know how to do it and you make money from it for a long period of time. So this is another investment portfolio that I have here, and it's $145. This is where I keep, all my other accounts that, I'm looking to add more to: retirement, SERP, SERP 401k. But those I will look to grow this later on in the future. But it's just a tad bits that I have there, $145. I just thought, for the sake of transparency, let me share that with you guys as well. This account, I really don't track how much it pays. It's not really anything for me to track, but I would say maybe it gives like 10 cents or so per month. It's not really much, but it gives a little something every month. So for the other two, I'm going to get into my computer screen and share that with you guys. I have some tiny little private investment that I did, but it's not much. Roughly about $2,000. It's not much. Did a little private investment. I'm not going to show the company that I'm invested in, but I'm just going to show the numbers here so you can get to have an idea of what I'm talking about. Okay, roughly that investment is roughly about $2,050, and right now I'm just waiting to see how that investment will turn out. Probably gonna be a loss on this one, but it's a private investment that I invested in someone. So like a friend, that's like a family. So we'll see. We'll wait and see how that goes, and I'll update you guys on that in the future. So finally, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a chart, and moving on, this is pretty much going to be the chart that I'll be using when I do videos like this. And I'll be doing videos like this once every quarter, just to do an update to share with you where my investment numbers are. And on a regular basis, I'll keep on doing what I'm doing, which when I do the real strategy, I'll do a video about it, what I'm doing, how much I'm making. I'll do a video about that. When I'm doing my dividend update, I'll also do a video on it, share with you how I'm making changes to the portfolio, how much I'm investing, doing all those things. So to wrap this up, what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you what's going on right here. Okay, so this is a tool that I use. It's called Personal Capital. It's a tool that I use. It's just a way to aggregate your net worth into one place, and you're able to see what your net worth is, and basically you can track certain things. So you're able to track in the past 90 days how much money you brought in, and it just gives you a day here. But what's nice about it is you can see your portfolio. You can see how the growth has been in the past year or so. You can see the portfolio. Now, this is just me adding all my investment together. This is not like I won the lottery, went from 17,000 to 70,000. No, some investment portfolio were not in this aggregate, was not like in one place. So I was able to sit down one day and actually put them in one place. That's how I've been able to get this to this point that it is today. So this is not a windfall. Anyway, so keep on investing, keep doing what I'm doing on a regular basis, and you see once in a while you get a little bump from here to there. When I did that update, this personal capital, what I do is, for me, I'm OCD when it comes to all these things. I personally do it on a monthly basis, but I really should be doing it on a quarterly basis as well. But I do it on a monthly basis, so I'm able to see how my investments is growing. It gives me peace of mind when I know the numbers, and I can plan ahead on how I can grow the numbers over time. All right. So right here, this is how it has been growing so far. And, you know, it grows, you know, week by week, you know, in total. It goes up and down, but in general, is growing in total. And at the moment, as you guys can see right here, we have $79,269. That is what the total portfolio is looking like in what I have right now, my total investment portfolio. Now, I'm still relatively young. I'm 32. There's a lot of things that I'm looking to get into. I'm looking to get into business this year. And, you know, I'm glad I have this platform. I can share that with you. I'm looking to get into business, looking to work more for my work. I am still going to sit down and chat to you about what I do for work. If you're interested, comment down below, and I'll sit down and make a video and talk about what I do as my main job. So I'm looking to start a business this year. I'm looking to do so many things. Keep working on this channel. I have another channel that I'm working on. It's called Afrobeats. Check out the YouTube. Go to the channel section. You will see my second channel. Go give it a sub. I appreciate you for that. I don't like anything that gets me copyright. So I have an employee that makes my beats for me, and I put that beats in my videos, and at the same time I put it on my beats channel. So if you're an Afrobeats guy, you're interested in beats, go check out the beats channel. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you like what you've seen in this video. I hope you've learned something about the theme of this channel. The theme is to get my investment up to $1 million. And I'm doing a bunch of different things in order for me to get there, you know. So that is the theme on the channel. And I do videos on that because going from not having anything to having $1 million, there's a lot of things that's going to happen in between. And I'm glad I have this channel. I'm able to share it with you. So hopefully this can be you know, a way that someone else can learn about investing and all these things for the future. So Pepe. Yeah. It's okay. 6 to 9. You gotta be PG. This is a PG channel.